Hey y'all, thanks for coming to check out another wig review. So today's review is from LuvMe Hair, one of the all-time favorite companies here on my channel. Absolutely love LuvMe. Their quality, their wig construction, their shipping, and customer service is amazing. So today I'm showing you guys a 26-inch Afro curly, undetectable invisible lace Glueless wig, and this one is a frontal, and it's their real HD lace. So you see how that lace is literally melting in. The color of the lace is beautiful. It's a perfect shade and it just looks great. I did add a little bit of my contour powder. So this is the darker powder that I use around the edge of my forehead. So that's what I use on the lace. The cap construction for this wig has a lot of good parting space. It has your elastic band and your adjustable straps and your combs on the sides. So my hair is natural, but I did do a trim and a length check. So my hair is very straight and blown out and flat ironed right now. So I just put it in a small ponytail and bobby pinned it back. I do have a natural hair check-in with you guys coming up for you guys. So make sure you are following me and you're subscribed to the channel so you get an update about my natural hair. That should be coming probably right after this video. So I did use a cap, a natural color cap. I wish I had used a different color because at the end you can kind of see it a little bit, but it's okay. I can always fix that. But yeah, so I went ahead and tried on the wig just to see how it was looking, and I absolutely love it. Like, the lace is so invisible, you literally cannot see it. I just love this wig. It's a really beautiful wig. So I went ahead and trimmed around my ear tab so that the wig would fit on my ears. And then I went ahead and just started plucking the hairline a little bit so that it could be a little less dense. So I'm gonna stop talking, let you guys watch how I do the plucking, and then I will come back and let you guys and talk you guys through how I install the wig. So plucking, as you see, I just take a very thin amount of hair using a rat tail comb, and then I just pull out hair. I don't use a tweezer. It takes too long for me, and that's just too much work. So I just take thin, sections with my rat tail comb and just pluck it using my fingers. You don't want to overdo it with this because you can definitely bald the unit, but it takes a lot, I feel like, to bald it. So, just use your own discretion. And I wouldn't say take more than probably like 3 strands at a time, 3 to 4 strands at a time. And that should be enough to kind of get you through the process pretty quickly, but also without like balding the unit. So I use the Ebin lace melt spray. This is their lace adhesive. I use this to just hold down my wig cap, and I just use my blow dryer on cool to just keep it in place. So one of the main reasons why I love LuvMe Hair so much is because of their lace quality, their hair quality. I just love it. when you pull the lace down, it literally just blends. You really don't have to do anything. Again, this is a glueless wig, so you don't even need to use the lace melt spray. I just went ahead and did it to show you all, but if I was just wearing this wig for the day, I definitely would not use anything to lay this hair down. It looks great without any type of adhesive or anything. It just looked perfect that way. But I did want to show you guys the option because I know a lot of you would want to, lay it down with some sort of adhesive. So like I always do with all my curly units, I just grab a water bottle. I do one side at a time. I spray it down. I add my GLEEmade soft hold mousse. This mousse is great for defining your curls, but also still leaving your hair soft and very, very hydrated and, luscious looking. So I go ahead and do that. Finger detangle, add more water if need be. Like there's some areas where you can see it's a little dry. So you just add more water, finger detangle, and then grab your Denman brush to define the curls. And that's pretty much all you do. It's going to take a while to get through all this hair, to detangle all this hair with the Denman brush. So just take your time, take smaller sections, and continue to just work it through. But you'll start to see once the hair starts to clump together, you'll know it's fully detangled and it's ready to move to the next section. All right, so as you can see, that left side is done, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side off camera, so this video is not too long, but same exact process on the other side. Look how juicy these curls come out when you do the mousse and the water. It's just crazy. So I went ahead and took my head lace melt band off, and this is what the hairline is given. It's really, really nice. I really love this unit. I went ahead and cut away the excess lace, blended, the lace around my forehead, and that was pretty much it, you guys. Stay tuned to the end of this video. I'm going to share my final thoughts. So of course, after you cut the lace, it does lift up a little bit. So you just want to go back around with your lace melt spray and just add it back. Now what will end up happening is if you use too much of this lace tint spray, it makes your skin look very glossy. So you just want to go with a makeup wipe and just wipe it off. Of course, when you do that, you end up wiping your makeup off and then you have to add your makeup back. It's just so much. But I would definitely say wipe away any excess of that spray because it will give your forehead a very unnatural glossy look. So I just went ahead and added more of my contour powder, and that's pretty much the end result, you guys. I didn't do any baby hairs or anything like that. This is what the hair is given. It's about 80% dry. It's not fully dry here, but I definitely love the way this hair came out. Highly recommend this unit, you guys. I will leave links for this hair down below. Thank you so much, LuvMe Hair, for sending over this unit. If I missed anything or you guys have questions, please leave them in the comments down below and I will be sure to get back to you guys. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. There are links below to how you can support, and yeah, I just appreciate you guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.